Today we are in Los Angeles for the world premiere of a very special 911. It was almost 40 years ago, one of our greatest motorsport victories, winning the Paris-Dakar rally. The 911 Paris-Dakar represents pioneering spirit that has always been our calling card. Today we are going to present to you the rebirth of this Porsche icon, a road car with an off-road heart. So here it is, the new Porsche 911 Dakar. We plan to build a limited number of 2,500 units, a very special edition for our customers.
Porsche is a tangible brand, all about unique moments, something that you really need to experience with all five senses.
The Rally Dakar is brutal, absolutely brutal, especially for the car. During the test I was pushing the car to the limit. The car has got 473 horsepower and the two driving modes, the off-road mode, provide an amazing traction. On top of that, the famous rally mode that I like a lot, Enable, we provide exceptional sliding on a loose surface.
We are redefining the joy of driving the 911 Dakar on and off-road. You see, the 911 is always good for a surprise.
Porsche is celebrating an extraordinary world premiere at the Los Angeles Auto Show. The new Porsche 911 Dakar is just as comfortable off-road as it is on the highway. The first striking detail of the Porsche 911 Dakar is its ground clearance, which is 50 millimeters higher than that of a 911 Carrera with sports suspension. And the standard lift system can raise the front and rear ends an additional 30 millimeters. The 911 Dakar uses a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six engine making 473 horsepower, the same output found in the 911 GTS. It goes to all four wheels through Porsche's 8-speed PDK gearbox, and with the help of launch control, it can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds and an electronically limited top speed of 150 miles per hour. The exclusive model, limited to 2,500 units, not only shows that there are hardly any limits to the concept of the Porsche 911. The 2023 Porsche 911 Dakar price starts at $223,450 including destination charges. It will arrive at US dealerships in the spring of 2023.